Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to make a slow motion video in CapCut. To make a slow motion video in CapCut is super easy. First of all, open up the CapCut application on your mobile device like you normally do, and from the home page of CapCut after logging in, go ahead and open up a new project and add a video, or you can also go ahead and open up a recent project over here. I'm just gonna open up one of the recent projects. After selecting a project open or adding a video on a new project, go ahead and select the video layer from the timeline. After you do that, go to the bottom menu and tap on speed. You will then be able to see three different options at the bottom of the screen. Choose normal to adjust the overall speed of the clip. Now, you will see a little blue slider. Drag the slider towards the left-hand side to slow down the video. You can choose the speed options according to your preference, and once you do that, tap on the tick mark in order to apply the change. Now you can play the video to preview the slow-mo effect and then export the video by tapping export after everything is done. You can also use the curve option for advanced slow motion. Choose the presets like montage, hero, bullet, jump cut, etc. and play the video in order to see how the slow-mo works out. After making a selection, tap the tick mark to choose the curve option, and then you will be able to use curve for advanced slow-mo as well. That is how you will be able to make slow motion video in CapCut. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.